Alright guys, welcome back. First and foremost, I want to say I filmed a couple of other videos while I was taking the case apart and unboxing the power supply and the DVD burner, and those videos came out like crap. You could tell I'm a noob at YouTube, but I'll try and make sure the next few videos come out really good. That way everything I post makes sense and it goes in chronological order and helps you guys in case you want to do what I'm doing right now. With that said, I went ahead and took the sides off the case. It's literally just 4 thumb screws. In the back, take this light. I have a clip-on light over here. That way I can put a spotlight on whatever. So yeah, you can see right here there's one space, another on that side, and then when you go further down there's 2 more. I went ahead and slid the power supply in. It fits perfectly in the back. Move this. It's got space for 4 screws. And since I took the front off, I went in, put the DVD burner inside. Now the front was easy. All you do is grab the ridge at the bottom and just pull it forward. It snaps out. No screws, no tools, nothing. So the case was telling the truth when they said majority of this is tool free. Granted, we are going to have to put screws and spacers in for the motherboard, but so far pretty good. If you look back here, when we put our graphics card in, these snap out as well. So the only screws we're going to need for that is when we screw everything in place, keep everything tight. Same thing goes for the DVD burner here. Move the light back, that way it doesn't blind you. And the same thing's going to go for the hard drive when we put that in. On the inside of the case, you can see this is the LED fan that it comes with. You can see the fan slots. 2 on the top, 1 in the rear, and underneath these cables, let me go ahead and move those for you. You can see another one underneath these cables. It's a mess right now, but we'll have everything zip tied in the end. This is the bag with all the screws. It comes with some zip ties and the spacers. Everything we need to put the motherboard and pretty much every other part we're putting in here in place. If you guys are going to buy this case, by the way, it's very easy to use. I would already recommend it. It seems like a pretty good design. I would suggest you pick up a couple of more. This is, we've got 120 millimeter, and it looks like 80 millimeter. I would buy a couple more fans to go with this. I mean, your graphics card is going to come with one. The power supply has a fan at the bottom. But the case itself actually only comes with 1 LED fan. So I'd probably pick up a couple more fans. They're not expensive. If you go to almost any computer store, they're only going to run you between $5 and $10 a pop, depending on what size you want, if you want them to light up. And depending on, you know, how efficient, how long you want them to last. I mean, some fans are cheap, I'm not going to lie. You go in there and you spend $2.99, that fan might not work after about 6 months on you. Plus, it might not keep your computer that cool. So, this is where I'm at right now. Really just unboxed a few things and started putting them in. In the next video, I'm going to go ahead and unbox the motherboard, the graphics card. I'm going to put the screws in place for these. I'll do that off camera, that way we don't have to keep stretching these out. But we're going to go ahead and keep going with this, keep it rolling. It shouldn't take too long to get this put together, that way we can test it. So tune into next video. I'll bring out the other stuff and we'll keep it rolling. Thanks for watching.